So now that we've reviewed basic candlesticks, we have an idea of what each candlestick represents and how the time frames work, we can start using collections of candlesticks to look at overall market movements. And there are two main things that we use for trading. One is going to be the trend, two is going to be a pattern. So we're going to start with trends. And what are trends? Well, really, they're directional price movements that remain in place long enough for you to be able to recognize them and for you to act upon them. In the case of our trend here, we can see that we are setting lower highs and lower lows. We're generally moving to the downside. So what you can do is say, look, we're in a trend. I know that we are setting lower highs, so I'm going to jump on this lower high with the expectation that the trend is going to continue and the price is going to move down. And that is the most basic concept of trend trading. We look for uptrends, we look for downtrends, and we trade inside those. So there are a few different types of trends. An uptrend, and that is where we set higher highs and higher lows. Or we have a downtrend like we see here, where we set lower highs and lower lows consistently, moving the overall price action to the downside. We also have sideways trends, where we trade inside a sideways channel with no higher highs or lower lows. And all of these trends, up, down, sideways, all reveal different support and resistance levels that we can mark up and use for our benefit. And it looks something like this. We can see that we have our high, our resistance, we have a resistance again, and another one. So we can use these trend lines to look and say, yep, we are getting close to this resistance level that has proven itself to be an effective barrier to price action, and I'm going to take a short position against this trend. Inversely, you can also use the support levels. We come down and consistently grind against this area of support. So what you can do is say, yep, we are near an area of support. I'm going to enter a long position because I believe this support will hold, and I will exit at the top of my trend. Being able to recognize trends is the most critical aspect of profitable trading. Nothing else comes close to the importance of being able to recognize trends, act on trends, and recognize trend changes.